Before the video starts, I want to say that this method is legit, and it has been used thousands of times. Let's play a game. If someone comes into you and takes all of your wealth, your money and stocks, all of your assets, your house, your partner, your friends, people you know, everything that you built, you would only have yourself and your knowledge. You wouldn't have even a penny in your pocket. What would you do? Tell me in the comments. I always like to know what's on your mind. So, how would start from scratch with no money? This method that I'm about to show you is what I like to call actually make money fast. So, you wake up in the city that you grew up in with only what you know. Let's start. The purpose of life is to serve people. You can only connect yourself to something bigger if you serve people. It's a life that you put your ego aside and you help others. So the first thing that you should do is to get a job and serve other people. The more people you serve, the more money you make. This is only in the short term. Then you have to raise capital. You can create capital by saving money while you're working. Or, if you don't have capital, you have to learn how to raise capital. By capital, I mean money. You can raise capital with someone who has a lot of it. It doesn't need to be much actually. You can raise something like $1,500 or $2,000, but it has to be with someone that believes in you. But how can you find someone that truly believes in you and gives you money? Well, it's pretty simple. Start to make real friends and later on, ask them if they can borrow you some money. You should mention that you will give them in 1 or 2 months later. Now that you have $2,000, you can start your business. From now on, with $2,000, you have financial security, which is crucial to find a partner or survive for some time. So, getting a job and making money should be your priority. Now you can learn about content creation and start to produce content for social media, for example, Instagram or YouTube, even if you have just a few people watching. You have to consider that some of those people will criticize you. That's inevitable. Funny sentence. If you don't have haters, it means that you haven't succeeded yet. Start to post massive content in the first 30 days. Then use $1,000 to boost the content with ads and bring more people to know you. With does $1,000, you can bring around 2,000 to 3,000 people interested in your content. Then, make 3 live streams for your followers and create something that you know paid. For example, a course, mentoring, or ebook. Once you create the content, use the $1,000 left to paid traffic for your paid content. Now, the people who already are interested in your content will be warned that you have that program. 1 to 5% of the people that watch the warning will buy the content that you are offering. So you have 5% from 3,000 people, which is 7 to 5 people. If what you are selling is worth, for example, $100, with 7 to 5 people buying your program, you can make $7,500 of course. You still have to pay the people that borrow you money. So you'll have $5,500 in profits. You can do all this in the first 30 days. You have probably realized that you didn't buy an expensive iPhone or luxury rings. With knowledge and money, you're able to generate $5,500. This is why that you should invest more in knowledge than in phones, expensive cars, or a big TV. If you don't know things, you will never make things. Developing the skill to make money is crucial in life. Also, you had to raise capital if you want to make money faster. Most people are embarrassed of asking for money to raise capital, but you have to ask. Sadly, we have reached the end of the video, but if you watched until here, it means that you liked the content. So please make sure that you like the video to more of my videos be recommended for you. And relax, the knowledge doesn't have to stop now. I have tons of videos related to money and wealth that you can watch. I'm going to leave some here that you can watch. Goodbye.